All right, so today we're gonna make all of this into one assembly. That's what I was tasked to do with my 3D printer. What do I mean by that? This is a piece of PVC, it has a cap cover on it, okay? And then this is a piece right here with a 1/4 nut in it that goes over the top of this, okay? And now it has a spacer in here like this, and this piece, which I'm not making, will go on through here and it will thread on through that 1/4. So this is what you're gonna have. And the customer wants a logo back here, their logo. So let's see what I can come up with. First thing we wanna do is we're gonna go into Mastercam and we're gonna design this part. So let's design this part. Okay, now that I got that done, here's what the part's gonna look like. I have a hex head in here. I have their Pro PDR sign right here. All in one part, all my measurements and everything. So now what I need to do is I need to go over to my splicing software. So I'm gonna go ahead and open that up. And then I'm gonna put my supports where I see fit, okay? This is all cosmetic. The bottom is not cosmetic. So this is what it's gonna look like. Now what I need to do is I need to slice this and we're gonna send it to my 3D printer and let's see what we're gonna get. Okay, so forgive me for the noise in my garage, but here we have the cheapest resin on planet Earth that you can find on the internet. I call it my prototyping resin. So I'm just gonna fill this up a little bit just to make sure I got enough in there. Yes, sir. And then after that, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna plug this in. All right, I'm gonna hit print. All right, it's about a 5-hour print. I can reduce that time by a couple hours simply by changing the retract values and such. So let's see what we get when we come out of that. One thing I did not mention is I already made a curing block. I put this block over the top so that when it cures, it doesn't collapse or expand. So this is key to making stuff like this. So I figure I better mention that since I did not mention that in the design or in the process. And I've already went and made this block before I made this last prototype. All right, so here's our finished product. Let's have a look at what we got here. I'm gonna take that off the plate. All right, now I'm gonna polish this up a bit and I'm gonna put it in the curing machine. The wash station is gonna go. We'll wash that for 5 minutes. All right, so now that we got it out of the wash station, let's go ahead and let's put this in the cure station with my block on it. I wanna make sure that block fits nice and soft in there. Just like that. We're gonna cure that for just 2 minutes. All right, so here it is fully cured. Take my plug out. And here's your part with the world's cheapest resin. You know, it's a prototype. I can bring this to the customer and see if he likes it, and then we could print it in the ABS. So let's see if the part all goes together. Let's put the 1/4 bolt in there and the clamp to see if this all comes together. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna press this 1/4 bolt in here. Okay, I got that pressed in there. So now let's see if this is gonna screw in, which we desperately need it to screw in. So there you have it, it screws in there. Let's do another thread. Boom, there you have it. Finished product, assembly to one part. Check it out. Thanks for watching. Tune in next time, see what we come up with next.
I am the great Claw. Hear me roar.